Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Fantom, whose current price stands at the $0.1833 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 0.6%. and in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, the Fibonacci's, the key areas of support and resistances, and also draw out any key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening here on the Fantom chart, and I'll do that here on the daily chart, where you can see from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice impulsive movement to the upper side, taking us to an all-time high at around the $3.48 mark. And in that movement to the upper side, I'm terming it as a higher Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the bull market high, we have been seeing lower prices in this corrective structure that we have over here in this ABC structure, taking us back to around the $0.018 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliott wave count 2. And after seeing the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 2, and assuming that the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2 is in, whatever we expect next is the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in a wave 5. So from this Elliott wave structure, this gives me the long-term scenarios that can play out here on the Fantom chart. Jumping to the 1 hour chart so that I can give you the short-term scenarios that I expect to play out here on the Fantom chart. Here on the 1 hour chart, you can see that Fantom has managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.17 mark. We have even seen a retest after seeing the breakout that is right here, and the retest has been a success, and we have continued pushing higher. And in that movement, you can also see that we have this trend line that I have here in red, and you can see that Fantom has continued to trade above that trend line over here. And today here on the 1 hour chart, you can see we have managed to lose that trend line to the lower side, and that would mean there are chances that we might continue pushing lower, get back to this key area of support at around the $0.17 mark. And in case we get to that support area, there are chances that we might find support and then find a very nice bounce to the upper side and continue pushing higher. And in that movement also, we have been trading within a channel, and if I draw it out, we can have these as the lower side of the channel, connecting these lows like that. Then we have the upper side of the channel, and you can see that we have not yet managed to break out of the channel to the upper side, and we are still trading within the channel. And that gives me the short-term scenarios that can play out here on the Fantom chart. There are chances that we might continue pushing lower to the lower side of the channel, get back to around the $0.17 mark, find support, and then see that bounce to the upper side and manage to break out of the channel to the upper side. There are also chances that we can lose that key area of support and continue pushing lower to the lower side of the channel. And in case we see a breakout out of the channel to the lower side, there are chances that Fantom might make a new low here on the Fantom chart. So those are the two possible scenarios that I expect to play out. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the RSI. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 50 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upper side. Also any movements to the lower side will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have printed a bearish cross, and we are seeing an increase in the selling momentum, and that would mean our prices are coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and continue watching those key areas of support and also those chart patterns that I have drawn out here on this chart.